It's a quick video of my 2010 Camaro SS door handle that broke. This is the driver's side door handle. Here's the original. You can see right here that the plastic cracked. So I got this replacement on Amazon right here. It's essentially the same thing. Has different connectors. The original was melted in, and I had to use a drill bit to drill them out. Hey, let me flip it over. There's the original. There's where it cracks. I had to open the door from the outside handle every time. I had to roll the window down. So yeah, I drilled this out, and now there's some metal retaining clips here. There's the replacement. You can use a 10mm socket to push those on. And there's videos out there already on how to remove the door panel. You can look that up. Alright, there's the new door handle installed. This is 6.2 liter V8 automatic SS in the cyber gray. Only 627, I think, cyber gray SSs were made in 2010. There's the inside door panel. Pretty easy to take off. Definitely want to have a pry bar tool. Be careful of your speakers, because there's a clip that can poke that out. Anyway, 128,000 miles and it runs perfectly. Love this thing. Love Chevy V8s. I've got 2 Tahoes and this.